morning, good afternoon, good evening. Van Florendo here. Yeah, I'm making a content now. I hope everyone is safe. I know that it rains here in Manila and it doesn't stop. But I'd like to just share my thoughts of owning a condo in Azure. So kahit maulan po at super lakas ng ulan at walang tigil, as you can see, I'm here in SM Bicutan. So I'm here in SM Bicutan and you'll see our road. Walang baha. So in fact, nakakapasyal po kami because SM Bicutan is just just beside, adjacent siya ng Azure. So as a unit owner in Azure, maganda siya kasi hindi po kami binabaha. Tsaka if we need supplies, the mall is just across or adjacent. So yan. I don't know if you can see it. So, nasa Bridgeway ako. So, I hope everyone is safe. Salamat! Thank you so much!